Alright, so let's move on from general form to standard form or vertex form. So let's recall that the general form is equal to, or y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And we would like to transform this into this equation, y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Let us consider problem number 4. So express y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4 to standard form. Now, the first thing that we will do is divide the value of b by 2, then square it. Let's say the value of b, that is the numerical coefficient of the linear term, which is 2x, and the numerical coefficient is 2. So again, divide the numerical coefficient 2 by 2 and square it. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 and square it, which is equal to 1. Next, add and subtract the result on the same side of the equation. So take note that y is equal to, x squared plus 2x. So this is taken from the original equation. Then since I have here 1, the result is 1, so I add this, to make this as the perfect square trinomial. So recall that we are completing the perfect square trinomial. Now, to compensate this positive 1, since I add positive 1 here, I'll add the opposite of this, or simply subtract negative 1 on the same side of the equation. Then after this, express the trinomial as a square of a binomial and simplify the outside constant. So take note that I can express the trinomial x squared plus 2x plus 1 as x plus 1. Take note that the x is derived from the square root of x squared. And the positive, the one that we got here, is actually the result of dividing the constant, okay, linear constant by 2. So this is positive 1, so we write here positive and square it. Then 3 is derived from 4 minus 1. So therefore, the equation y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 4 is the same as y is equal to x plus 1 squared plus 3. Let's have our example number 5. Express y is equal to 4x squared plus 16x plus 7 to standard form. So the very first thing that we will do is factor out only 4, okay, to the terms with variable x. So we have here 4x squared and 16x. So we'll factor out 4. So the result will be, 4 times x squared plus 4x and leave 7 here. Next, so divide the value of b by 2, then square it. So here, the value of b here is equal to 4 because this is the numerical coefficient of the linear term. So that is 4x, and the numerical coefficient is 4, so divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, then square it, so it's equal to 4. Next, add the result, inside to the inside parenthesis, and subtract the product of the number outside the parenthesis and 4. So it's like this. So what we're going to do is we will, transform this now, or we will make x squared plus 4x as complete perfect square trinomial. To complete that, so we have x squared plus 4x and we add 4. So see the 4 here, we add here 4 inside the parenthesis. Now take note that if we will distribute 4 and 4, that is equal to 16. So that is why to compensate that, we subtract 16 on the same side of the equation. So now we will move on now, express the trinomial as a square of binomial and simplify the outside constant. So we can make this one now as a perfect square trinomial. So take note that the square root of x squared is x, and the 2 here is taken from this number 2. So what we have here, we express already x squared plus 4x plus 4 as x plus 2 squared. And we simplify the number outside the constant. So 7 minus 16 is equal to 9. So therefore, So this is the standard form of 4x squared plus 16x plus 7. So this is now the same as 4 times the expression x plus 2 squared minus 9. So that ends our discussions. Again, this is teacher Onin. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified about my new videos. Thank you.